Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to turn off pop-up blockers on your Chrome browser. I will show in this video, and there is a many settings, server setting I will show you. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, let's start with the video. Let's go on my browser. So guys, here you can see this is my Chrome browser, and just open it and go to the your settings. Just click on this three dot and click on the setting option. It will be bring you the setting page, and here you can see the many page you can see. So you can search from here like pop-ups, or you can go in privacy and security. In privacy security you can see the option like site settings. Just click on it and you can see many options like recent activities, permission, additional permission. And in additional permission, in content you will see cookies, site, javascript, image, and here you can see pop-up and redirection. So click on it and just you have to allow. If you uh, if you have don't allow sites in pop-up redirection, you can allow it or off it your pop-up blocker. So guys, here you can allow or for all website, but if you want to allow for particular page or website, you can allow from here, or can turn on blocker from here. Just click add and click any website, copy, and you can copy paste here. So it will be the pop-up will be turned off. So guys, I hope you like this video. There is a setting of pop-up you can add for, you can off on for every website, or you can on for particular website. And this is for if you want to off for particular website, or you can off for all website. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.